Hey guys, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World Electronics, and today I'm experimenting with, first of all, my Linux box, which is not in a box, it's on a box, and an Arduino, the Uno. What I am doing is just setting up my Linux machine to see what all it can do for replacing my Windows computers. And Arduino is one of the things I like to play with. I also hooked it up to a computer today, or a printer I should say today, and it immediately within 30 seconds had the software drivers installed for my LaserJet 1018 laser printer. So I was very impressed with that. So I'm pretty much thinking this is ready to go. I am very close to formatting my hard drives on my Windows computers and switching over to Linux entirely. That is the basic Blink program. I forgot the word sketch briefly, and it was just to test out and see if I could get this running. It was very easy, very easy. I downloaded the software from the Arduino website, followed the instructions, had to open a port manually because that gave me a little bit of an issue opening the port, but once I gave myself permissions, it was running. I also have a external speaker sitting here, and I can watch videos, movies. I mean, hey, it does everything. I am very pleased with this. So on the path to switching over to Linux, I'm using Ubuntu. 18.04 is what I'm using, and I'm liking it very much. And I have the Kubuntu GUI desktop, so I like it a lot. There's the internet, that's the Arduino, Blink, that's the sketch program with Blink running, and the internet where I was looking at how to set up. I was looking at if there's anything to safely remove this from a Linux computer. There's Skype, and I mean, everything's good. I'm liking it. So, on the way to switching over, oops, that was a cat. Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World Electronics, working with the Arduino Uno. And stay tuned, because I do have plans to start doing experiments with the Arduino and start doing projects regularly on my electronics channel. So watch for that if that does interest you, and we'll be doing that. So please like, subscribe, and share, and stay tuned for more exciting electronics projects and experiments.